Hello guys, have a nice day. Here we are now for our final draw of our selection for toilet hanging bowl. You know guys, I found something today. It's a joke. So let's go guys. Now guys, we are here in Takasusi Street, Riyadh. For the first showroom, which is Saudi Ceramics for sanitary. Now their showroom is looking smart, good arrangement, but their product I found was limited. You see their design looks like classic because for the aging, and their finishes was glossy, and the sizes was limited. So the other one, the circular one, this I found it fit to my selection because the matte, but matte finish, but exclusive only for women. The size, Saudi Ceramics is a Filipino designer mostly. This the rectangular one you found. For the first spot, you can imagine the flower pot, which there is aging at the top. So I quit this showroom, and now I will bring you for the second showroom, which is the product from Europe. This is Roca of Spain. You know how much the price only for this silver button? The cost was 1,000 rial for 12,000 pesos. The water tank cost for 1,100 rial for 14,000 pesos, and this bowl is 2,300 rial for 35,000 pesos, and the total cost ranged to 60,000 pesos only for bathroom. I walk out guys, but really I love this product, very professional. Now we are here in the third showroom, which the product from Poland. The price for this one is only 430 rial, equivalent to 6,000 pesos, and the finish is I love because the medium luster, and the size is very presentable. And now this one, the winner, the rectangular one, which I don't like to, because why? The edging, there is corner, but for the minute later I imagine this is much for my order laboratory, which the dark one, but rectangular too, and the first place, the choice of my princess. The choice of princess are the princess, but this is the selection of the prince, which I match for the floor and the wall, the black one. Fortunately, this already issued an invoice, but suddenly that prince called me to cancel the black one, so they both decide for the white. So sorry for the black, but I hope one day I can meet you again. This one, the mixer, 300 rial. Grew 275, 300 rial. This one, Gruhi Bardo, Arbamia, 375. $450. You see this how? This one mixer.
مش نفس الديزاين.
ايه هذاك لانه بينزل تحت شايفه؟
هذه ما تجي فوق، ما تجي مبنية، يعني لازم تفتح بال.
ايوه.
A few days later, we starting the vaudeville fight of our bathroom. Now we start the job. The sipon, that is the water tank. It's this hanger. Pipe, the old waste pipe is coming there. We'll connect here and go up. The water also out. I don't know. Very hard job for the changes. Yeah. This trouble. Supply here. One. So it's hard to take the camera. I will fix you. I will talk. I will take after this one. We simply put our talks like this. Down here. To be honest, only to be honest, huh? Who see this one? Me only. So have 3, 4. 1 up, 2 in the down, and the other one to help the tank. The water tank will hold good. This will be put in the water supply. So before we getting greasy, we open this one to make sure we cannot return the job. Water is okay. Magat alami. So confirm. We close now. See, this is the tools. What kind of tools to watch? It's blocking my way. I'm getting oh my god, what is kind of job? See, this is the plumbing job. everything here. My sandal, my shirt. Now we fix the 5. This is an old line. Alignment is not good. Little bit slanting. I put gum inside to protect the leaking. This black with this 4 inches 4 inches wide reducer. There is gum inside, so to protect the leaking. Now it's ready, but the problem what? I don't have tools to make tight the nail. I'm expecting this one is screw, but that is a winch. Now this gap is about 14 cm from here, the center, and here. That is 14 cm to match the toilet bowl. So everything ready, only to close. If I make tight the nails, we can close, and we wait until this dry. If this one dry, we continue the tiles. This is the trouble. I cannot make tight this one. I don't have tools. And it's already 12 o'clock in midnight. Nobody's available here. This one need to make tight. This one. Other one. Down. This one, the lock. This one. While in stock, this is the protection of the siphon. So if everything done, we will remove this one, including this one. These braces. Is already done inside. There is remaining, but it's full. No instruction, but it's full. Maybe there's something there. This will be. So here we are now, guys. We fix already the old pipe. It's very sneaky, and that's the problem. I cannot see the alignment accurate. The last for this reducer, the white one, accessing for this toilet bowl supply pipe. I wonder this push button why. I amaze how it work this one. Just I connect this one. I connect this from here. I don't know exactly what this one, because this is my first time. I connect this one. What is the connection, right? You see the little pipe, you know. If you push here, see. Here, if you push, I push the small. I push this small one. See? Oh my god. This is the big one. This one. I wonder really, and now I will work with this one for 1,000 real. Oh my god. See? This is the plus. This is for urine, and this is for urine, and this is for the rest. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and bell our button for more updates, and please share. May God bless us always, and till to our next upload. Much love, Creator Arts Interior Design. Thank you once again.